Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you catch this. I hope it's beautiful. My mess isn't beautiful. Welcome to Vlogmas, day 4. It is Sunday. I have to clean. I have a whole list of things that I want to create today. I work better when everything's in its place, so I have to start with a clean slate. Otherwise, I'll end up with 3 half-finished projects because I didn't have everything lined up like I needed. How do you work best? Today, my Vlogmas is inspired by Always Tam Tam. So she motivates us to get stuff done. She encourages us to be our best selves, even though life is ridiculously messy and awful. In here, we can be ourselves, and I can make it as beautiful as I know how. Tam always tells us to keep going. Thank you, Tam. I got lots of little progress, right, in 10 minutes? Never give up on yourselves, guys. All of these are things I'll be working on for the upcoming holiday season. So I have them right here next to my desk, but I went through them and organized them. My presses are all together. The board stays really organized, thankfully. Desk is back to organized. HTV. I need a better way to store HTV. Okay, y'all, I think we are ready to craft. I have 2 sublimations printed. One is for a tote, and the other is for a pillowcase. I am ready. I threw my rug in the dryer after I took it outside to shake it out, just so that it can get any of that extra dog hair, any of my extra paper off of it. It doesn't like to be vacuumed. The floor being painted in here, then obviously I can spill and it's no big deal. This used to be my husband's man cave. Prior to being my husband's man cave, it was a cleaning closet. He put in all the shelves and did all the painting. It was just a white room. I hope you enjoyed this motivation. I'll be linking Always Tam Tam because she's amazing. Check her out. I love y'all.